My name is Scott Davis, and I'm the broadcast media architect for Microsoft. So this year, I had the lovely challenge of trying to work on two projects combined into one. We worked with the ultra-low latency program as well as production in the cloud, and combining the two together to figure out, could we get from lens to cloud and cloud to consumer with a minimum amount of delay, as well as combining the challenge of decreasing the latency, maintaining the quality, introducing new technologies with a broad range of different programmers, technology providers, trying to bring the challenge of doing not just HD, but UHD, introducing HEVC as much as possible through the entire production chain, as well as trying to introduce new technologies and methodologies at the same time, while trying to make sure that we looked at what the impact of quality changes were when we brought these new technologies in. What makes the IBC innovation program so unique is it brings together such a broad range of different partners in the solution space. We have different cloud vendors, we have different software vendors, content creators, all trying to solve very broad problems within the solution space with a different set of perspectives, rather in a competitive world, but in a cooperative world, in a way that tries to look at a broad range of problems that we're all trying to solve at the same time, not so much in a way that we're trying to boil the ocean, but trying to go, what are the real issues we're trying to solve? We don't necessarily resolve an issue to its completeness, but we try to start going, what are the real questions? What do we really uncover while we're looking at a specific issue? We are finally able to get together and breathe the same air. We've spent 2 years coming out of the pandemic, and we've had a great chance to work there using collaborative tools on the internet, whether it's Teams, email. We've really discovered our ability to use phones and all the different tools that we used in the past to work when we couldn't be together. But we're really discovering what we've lost in our ability to get in a room and use a whiteboard, or even the simple joy of being over a meal and trading ideas. The Accelerator program was a great chance to get together in a room virtually sometimes, but then pragmatically get there when we got together in London and do some testing. I think that getting together to get in IBC in Amsterdam would be a great chance to trade ideas, look a little bit more closely what we're doing, and challenge some of our thinking again. When we're not together, we don't get to really sit down and really sharpen each other a little bit. And the chance to be in Amsterdam, specifically at IBC, will be a great chance to really examine each other, the technologies and the ideas that people are bringing to the industry in a way that we've missed for 2 years.